Have you ever wondered why a propeller shaft doesn't have a fixed length? The answer lies in a small but critical component called the slip yoke. Without it, a vehicle's drivetrain would not survive normal driving conditions. When a vehicle is in motion, the suspension is constantly working. As the vehicle goes over bumps or uneven roads, the rear axle moves up and down. This movement changes the distance between the transmission and the differential. If the propeller shaft were rigid, this change in distance would create extreme stress in the drivetrain. This is where the slip yoke comes in. The slip yoke is a spline joint that allows the propeller shaft to slide in and out while still transmitting torque. As the suspension compresses, the slip yoke shortens the effective length of the driveshaft. When the suspension extends, the slip yoke allows the shaft to lengthen again. The slip yoke plays a major role in protecting drivetrain components. It prevents damage to the transmission output shaft, avoids excessive load on differential bearings, and reduces the risk of shaft bending or breakage. Without a slip yoke, changes in driveline length caused by suspension movement force the propeller shaft to absorb axial motion, creating compressive and tensile forces. These forces overload the transmission output shaft bearings, which are not designed to carry thrust loads, leading to overheating, lubrication failure, and premature bearing damage. The same axial forces sideload the universal joints, damaging the needle bearings, causing stiffness, vibration, and early joint failure. On the differential side, axial pull disturbs pinion bearing preload and gear alignment, resulting in gear noise, accelerated wear, and potential gear damage. Overall, the lack of a slip yoke leads to increased vibration, noise, driveline shock, and rapid failure of drivetrain components. In simple terms, the slip yoke allows the propeller shaft to change length while rotating, making it essential for durability, safety, and smooth vehicle operation. That's why every rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive vehicle relies on a slip yoke to keep power flowing smoothly from the engine to the wheels. If you found this explanation helpful, like, share, and subscribe.